All right, so now let's do this problem. It says, which inequality symbol would represent the following word phrases? So at most really means less than, doesn't it? Or equal to. And think about the numbers. Something is less than or equal to 50. That means it's 50 at most. At most 50. Further than could be greater than. Further than 50 feet. Well, 60 is further than 50 feet, so 60 would be greater than 50 feet. Younger than is the opposite way, right? You guys are younger than Mr. Adams. So if I put your age here, I would say less than my age. Not by much, maybe 5 years. Then it says up to. Up to means the up to is the higher value. So we're talking about anything less than or equal to. Okay? Then it says write a few of your own examples. So if I say at least, which is the opposite of at most, what would that be? Greater than or equal to. Further than, I could say larger than, right? Larger than. Still the same symbol though, right? I could say smaller than. That would be less than. I could say heavier. That would be greater than. Okay? Let's do problem number 10 real quick. I might type this one out because we're going to need a lot of words for this. So it says discussion. How many steps, how are the steps to solving an inequality similar to solving an equation, and how are they different? Well, I'm going to be real fancy because it's easier. You solve the same, and basically whatever you do on one side, help me finish this, you do to the other. Very good. Now that has a property. Those are properties of equality, right? But when we do an inequality, they're called properties of inequality. So if I add 3 to both sides, it's a property of equality if it's an equation. If I have an inequality symbol, less than, greater than, or whatever, then it's a property of inequality. Adding 3 to both sides, an addition property. Okay? So that part, they're the same. The difference is that an inequality can have multiple solutions. So when I say less than 3, is 2 less than 3? Yep. Is 1 less than 3? Yep. Is 0 less than 3? So you won't get x equals 3. You'll get x is less than 3. So that means the difference is that inequalities can have multiple solutions. And lastly, and this is an important one, whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, what do? You must flip the inequality symbol. And that's basically it, guys. So go ahead and put that away. Hold on a second. I'm still recording you.